is raining. Owen is on the street, and he is wet. He has no umbrella. This morning he had it. Now it is gone. Owen cannot remember where he left it. Where did Owen leave his umbrella? And you, when you lose something, where do you look first? Tell me in the comments in English.
Oh no! I am so wet. Where is my umbrella? I had it this morning.
Owen stops under a roof. He thinks. He must remember his morning, step by step.
Okay, stay calm. I will think. Where did I go today?
Owen needs one good sentence today. It is a sentence we all need. Listen.
I think I left it at the park.
I think I left it at the park. We use this when we are not sure. We say, I think, and then the place.
I think I left it at the shop. I think I left it at the bakery.
Good. I think I left it at the... You can put any place there.
And here are some words for today. An umbrella keeps you dry in the rain. When you cannot find a thing, you lose it. The thing is lost. We say this a lot in real life. The more you practice it, the easier it becomes. The link is in the description if you want to practice more. I think I left it at the park. First, Owen walks to the park. The rain is soft now. He looks at the long wooden bench.
I think I left it at the park. Yes, I sat on this bench this morning.
Owen looks under the bench. He looks behind it. There is no umbrella here.
It is not here. No umbrella on the bench. No umbrella on the grass.
Wait. Owen remembers something. This morning, he did not only sit. He sat down and he put his bag on the bench.
I had my bag. I had my umbrella. I sit down. I put my things next to me. So where is it now?
So, the umbrella is not at the park. Owen is still wet and he is still looking, but he is calm. He thinks again, step by step. Where will he go next? He has 2 more places to try. Keep watching with us and find out with Owen. A calm, slow story like this is the best way to learn. So stay with us to the end. Next, Owen goes to the small corner shop. Hugo works here. Hugo is kind, and he knows Owen well.
Hello, Hugo. I have a problem. I lost my umbrella. I think I left it here.
Hello, Owen. Oh, you are very wet. Let me look. Sometimes people leave things on this shelf. Hugo looks on the shelf by the door. A shelf is a flat board on the wall for things. There is a hat here. There is a glove here. But there is no umbrella. I am sorry, Owen.
Please look one more time. Maybe in a drawer?
I will look in the drawer, too. A drawer is a box you pull out. Let me see.
Hugo pulls the drawer out. He looks inside. Pens, paper, but no umbrella.
No umbrella, Owen. It is not in the shop. I am sorry.
It is not at the park. It is not at the shop. I do not know where it is. Maybe I will not find it.
Owen is a little afraid now. He is tired and wet, and his umbrella is still lost. Owen stops. He thinks one more time. He closes his eyes and he remembers his morning. The park, then the shop. And before the park, yes, before the park, he went to the bakery. He sat down for a coffee. He hung his umbrella on the back of his chair.
The bakery. I think I left it at the bakery. I sat down and I hung it on my chair. I stood up and I forgot it.
Owen walks fast to the bakery. Sienna is there. She makes the bread, and she smiles when she sees him.
Owen, there you are. You are so wet. Did you lose something today?
Hello, Sienna. Yes, I lost my umbrella. I think I left it here this morning.
You did. Look, it was on the back of your chair.
Sienna holds up the umbrella. It is Owen's umbrella. The lost umbrella is found.
My umbrella! Thank you, Sienna. Thank you so much. I am so happy.
You are welcome. You stayed calm and you came back. That is a lovely thing.
So the answer is this. The umbrella was at the bakery, on the back of Owen's chair. He sat down, he hung it on the chair, and he forgot it. Owen did not run, and he did not panic. He stayed calm, and he found it. And now Owen is dry, and he is proud. Let us look back at our story. Owen lost his umbrella in the rain. He was wet. He had to remember his morning. He looked at the park, on the bench. He looked at the shop, on the shelf and in the drawer. And he found it at the bakery. Now, say it with me. Umbrella. Lost. I think I left it at the bakery. Now, 3 small questions. Stop the video and answer in English. You can do it. 1. What did Owen lose today? 2. Where was the umbrella in the end. 3. When you lose something, where do you look first? Here is the secret of the story. Owen did not run. He stayed calm and he looked step by step. Learning English is the same. A little practice, often, and it grows. That is how I learn too. I practice with a real teacher on italki, even 10 minutes a day. The link is in the description if you want to practice more. Some links below help support this channel. Thank you. So, were you right? Where was the umbrella? And you, when you lose something, where do you look first? Write one short sentence in English. I read every comment. If you like calm, slow stories like this one, please subscribe. A new slow English story is coming soon. See you in the next story.